I'm out here talking about the truth. The truth of the matter is, no mustard. You look like your name's fucking Harold Donahue, bro. Shut the fuck up.
That's crazy disrespect, dude. I wouldn't take that.
I bet you would take Finn, though.
Nah, Finn would take me, though.
Yeah, he probably would.
Be like,
I'm ready for you, Teddy.
nah,
Are you ready for Teddy?
Then I get like, fuck it. I'm gonna nerf this part before I even make it. I'm gonna go like, so the portal's that one. I'll put like a street light. What? What? Oh, dude. Oh. I accidentally sent the thing all the way.
Beetle.
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 Beetle!